New day, new light. Stepped out in the morning, sun kissed on my face. Something in the way I'm moving feels like I'm in a better place. Used to chase the shadows, now I chase the spark, and every step feels lighter since I followed my own heart.